Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at the Basilica Cistern in Istanbul, Turkey. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here we are, everybody. It's pretty amazing. Wow. And it is jam-packed, crowded, crazy, over-the-top, full crazy. Wow, it wasn't ever like this before. I was here before. Look at that. Is that amazing? Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. I can't believe how full this place is. Wow. Wow, wow. It is crazy full of people. Oop. Wow, look over here. Wow. And this holds up the whole city. Wow. Wow. And look at all the arches that hold it up. Wow, look at this. Wow. 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 All right. Somebody told me my wows ruined the video, so I'll stop saying wow. Oh my God. And it changes colors. Look at it, now it's green. And it's hard to see, but it's pretty incredible. Oop. And you can see the reflection too. It's hard to tell with this camera. I really want the DJI Pocket 3, but eventually. And you can see how far down that goes. Way, 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 way down there. Can you see down there? I mean, I can zoom in, but it's Amazing. Wow. I want the lights to change again. And there's water, so I'm standing on top of, and you can't really see it now, but I'm standing on top of like sheet metal, but not sheet metal, like what's that stuff called? Like where little holes, metal with little holes, because this is all filled with water. You see how this is all with water? Oh, they just changed the colors again. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. That is amazing. So how about we just stay right here for a second and see if the lights change again. And I'll just pan around and you can see it. So I'll do the bottom half. So it's kind of an orange with a green bottom. And then I'll do the top here, which is still orange, but this shows you the roof and stuff. Yeah, I don't think you can really appreciate how huge this place really is, but it holds up really the entire city of Istanbul, the old city. Wow. Oh, it changed colors again. Now it's white. But now there's no light in the water. Very cool. All right, I'm gonna stop recording until it changes color again. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, they changed back to like a green-white. And so it looks like about every 2 minutes, maybe every 3 minutes on cue, the lights change. And so, you know, the hard part is this camera really doesn't pick up the darkness very well. So I'm gonna stop recording on this and record on my phone because it'll pick it up better. I'll be back. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. I love this place. And you have to imagine this holds up the whole city, the whole old town. Wow. Okay, let's go find Medusa. Let's go find Medusa. Oh, it just changed again. Back to white. Excuse me. Thank you. Wow. I'm sorry it's so dark, everybody, but This is the money shot right here. Look down that way. Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 So, here's one Medusa head right here. And so, they don't know where this came from. They don't know why it's here. But there's two of them. There's one on its side and one upside down. And it holds up the city of Istanbul. Wow. And here's the statue of Medusa, which is pretty staggering all of it in itself. You can't really see it too well from here. Wow. And the shadow is amazing. Can you see the shadow on the wall? So there's the statue over here on the left, and then here's the shadow of it on the wall. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty incredible. And people use their flash, and that's no good. Wow. Oh, and here's the other Medusa head, turned upside down. Wow. You guys can't really see that too well, can you? Wow. I want the lights to change again. Okay, I'll be right back until the lights change. Okay, they changed again. And it's interesting too. Let's look at this column right here. You can see that that column is shifted. You see how it's off canter? So there's a lot of them that have moved or shifted over the years. This one shifted a little bit too. That one over there is shifted, the square one. And it looks like they added these steel beams up on top to reinforce the roof and structure. You see that steel beam up there? Oh. Wow. And then it changes again. Amazing. Hi everybody, that's it for me. Let's get out of here. Bye, everybody. Another thing that's interesting to me is, so you see how this column, it has writing on the side, all the way down, and it's rough exterior here. And then you go to the next column, and it's kind of like got little divot holes in it, all the way up. And then you go to the next column, and it has a design in it all the way top to bottom. So every column is kind of like different and unique. And this one obviously is solid from top to bottom, whereas the one over there is solid all the way until that spot, and then it goes up again. And so they're just amazingly different and unique. Yeah. And I think these are the eye of Turkey, right? The symbol of the eye, which is the all-seeing and all-knowing and the safety of the eye. I don't know what it's called exactly. And there's fish in here too. And then there's plants, or these glass things. And it drips on you all the time. And even the column tops are different. So like this one is a square one, that one's got a little funky thing on the bottom, that one's got a funky thing, that one's a square one, you know what I mean? And then look at that. So let's zoom out, and then let's zoom in all the way across. Wow. Look at the reflection. Look at that reflection. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing.